SMS machinery CNC electro-hydraulic press brake, 110 tons and 4,000 millimeters. Standard 4+1 axis configuration ensures stable, multi-axis bending with enhanced accuracy. Equipped with the intuitive ET18 control system, enabling fast programming and efficient production. 1. Welded with high-strength steel for rigidity, heat-treated and precision machined to ensure stability and accuracy. 2. Base and uprights processed by gantry milling for smooth surface fit, a solid foundation for cylinders, guides, and control integration. 3. The rear gauge beam is milled by a gantry milling machine to ensure positioning accuracy. 4. Use a grinding wheel or belt sander to preliminarily grind the slider surface to remove the oxide layer and welding residue. 5. The arc-shaped throat design can effectively disperse stress concentration, improve the frame's anti-fatigability, and extend its service life. 6. Adopts long guide rail design and is precisely adjusted to make the ram movement more stable and the verticality higher, thereby ensuring processing accuracy. Electrical box and servo drive. The circuit design is simple, reasonable, and the wiring is neat. Main motor, Japan Nachi oil pump and Germany Rexroth hydraulic components. The cylinder body is made of high-strength steel, and the internal sealing components are imported famous brand products. Mechanical convex work table can achieve precise deflection compensation throughout the entire length of the work table, consisting of several sets of relatively moving inclined panels. Grading ruler. Fast clamping system. Front support. Foot pedal with emergency stop push button switch. Punch and dies. Tool holder. Back gauge adopts ball screw transmission. Different models are equipped with corresponding back gauge devices and convenient adjustment. The high-precision stopper finger meet high-precision processing needs. EasyCat ET18 System. (2D drawing programming function, automatic calculation of bending process and collision detection, bending process simulation in production mode. Bending collision detection. Bending display. Sample display. Angle measure.